Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Jarrett. This is Supercar Specifics. Just got to spot number 1. Kind of a somber start to this vlog. So just found out today one of the most iconic, important skateboarders of our time, Keith Huffnagel, passed away of brain cancer. Totally breaks my heart. Just one of the most important skateboarders of our generation passing away. It's been a rough month with Vincent Nava also passing away, a young up-and-comer. Oh, sorry, just getting full Brabus G-Wagon with FI exhaust. Okay guys, so I just wanted to start off by saying rest in peace, brother. May God hold you in his hands and never let go. Okay guys, so I'm heading to spot number 1. Let's go see what we can get. Yeah, so it's absolutely warm, beautifully warm out. Last weekend it was a little cold, shivering, but this weekend's beautiful. So let's get it started. POV to spot number 1. Okay guys, spot number 1. We already got an all black AMG GTR and an AMG GTS, or a GTC. So let's see what we can get at spot number 1. That's a gorgeous spec, dude. Yeah.
Got some good picks today?
Sorry?
Got some good picks today?
Yeah, it's been, there was a nice Heritage Speedster.
Right on.
It was sick.
Great day.
Yeah man, you too. Yes.
Oh, you think that is?
No, it's just the car. Sick. Yes. Oh, scrape and tail.
Yeah.
No.
Not really. Okay guys, just finished that spot number 1. Now we're heading to spot number 2, so POV. See what we can get on the way there. Okay guys, spot number 2. I'm sweating like a dog. It's a lot hotter than I thought. Woo, you're looking spiffy. Wow, no. Okay guys, spot number 2. Oh. Sick. Oh, it's Longtail Mac. Nice. Oh, it's, yeah, that's Longtail Mac. GTSR? AMG GTR Pro again. Sick. Okay guys, huge moment. So if you remember from my channel way back, there was a black F40 on my channel. It's now here, it's parked in there. I'm like freaking out because I've never seen it in the wild. I've only seen it at the car show. So I'm gonna chill here and wait for it to leave. Okay guys, I'm freaking out. The black F40's in there. I'm gonna wait till it leaves to get it. So, wow, you guys. I just wanna say, I'm in shock. Dennis, I know you'll be watching this because the owner's your friend. Just want to say a huge shout out to you, Dennis Acuin, one of my biggest supporters since I've started. Okay guys, so black F40. So, yeah, so black F40, you guys. Wow, all blue F8. Just as the F40.
Nice color though.
Oh, that's so sick. Oh, nice little full Brabus again. F-iron exhaust. Oh my god. What's up, dude? Yeah. Look at this. F50. Oh my god. Oh my god.